Hello everyone, welcome back to STEAM Aspirations. Today we'll be solving problem number 6 of the 2014 AMC 8. So let's get started. We have that 6 rectangles, each with a common base width of 2, have lengths of 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, and 36. What is the sum of the areas of the 6 rectangles? So let's first draw out the rectangles. So we know that each rectangle has a base width of 2. So let's just draw 6 segments of length 2 for each of the 6 rectangles. And these will be one of the bases of those rectangles. And they have lengths of 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, and 36. So once again, let's draw these lengths and complete the rectangles. So there we have one that's 1 by 2. Here we have one that's 4 by 2. Here we have one that is 9 by 2. Here we have one that is 16 by 2. Here we have one that is 25 by 2. And finally, here is one that is 36 by 2. So we want to find the sum of the areas of the 6 rectangles. So first, let's just label each of these rectangles with their base and length. All right. And we want to find the sum of the areas of the 6 rectangles. So let's just find the area of each individual rectangle. So this first rectangle has an area of 2 times 1, which is equal to 2. The second one has an area of 2 times 4, which is equal to 8. The third one has an area of 2 times 9, which is equal to 18. The fourth rectangle has an area of 2 times 16, which is equal to 32. This fifth rectangle has an area of 2 times 25, equal to 50. And finally, we have this final rectangle has sides of like 2 times 36, which is an area of 72. And all we need to do is sum all of these values to get the sum of the areas. This sum is equal to 2 plus 8 plus 18 plus 32 plus 50 plus 72. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10, plus 18 is equal to 28, plus 32 is equal to 60, plus 50 is equal to 110, plus 72 is equal to 182, which is choice D. But in these kinds of problems, it's always a good idea to double check your answer by sort of solving the problem in another way. And this is especially important for harder problems on the test, but for now, let's just do that for practice. So what we can do is we can notice that each of these values, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, and 36, is actually a perfect square, and these are the consecutive perfect squares from the first one to the sixth one. And the formula for the sum of first n squares is equal to n times n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 all over 6. And we know that if we sum all these values, 2 times 1 plus 2 times 4 plus 2 times 9, etc., we get from the reverse distributive property that 2 times 1 plus 2 times 4 plus dot 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 plus 2 times 36 is going to be equal to 2 times 1 plus 4 plus all the way to 36. And the thing is, this sum right here is just the sum of the first 6 squares. So that means that this quantity over here would be equal to 6 times 6 plus 1 times 2 times 6 plus 1 over 6, which is going to equal to 6 times 7 times 13 over 6. Canceling out these two 6's gives an answer of 91, which means that the final sum will be 2 times 91 which is equal to 182, again corresponding with our previous answer of D. And we are done. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions. And as always, see you next time!